Ever pondered the idea of creating and selling your own online course? The thought might seem daunting at first, but the process can be broken down into manageable steps. This guide will shed light on how to create and sell online courses, turning your expertise into a profitable venture. First, consider the topic of your course. What are you passionate about? What knowledge do you possess that others might find useful? Be it cooking, coding, or calligraphy, the sky is the limit. The key is to choose a topic that you're both knowledgeable and enthusiastic about. Once you've decided on a topic, the next step is to outline your course. Start by breaking down your topic into smaller, digestible sections. Each section should cover a specific aspect of your topic. This will not only make the content easier for your students to absorb, but also make the course creation process more organized for you. Now, it's time to create the course content. This can be in the form of videos, written materials, quizzes, or a combination of all three. Remember, quality matters. Invest in good equipment, take time to create high-quality content, and don't be afraid to edit until it's perfect. After your course is created, it's time to put it on the market. You can choose to sell your course on a platform specially designed for online courses or on your own website. Each option has its own pros and cons, so do your research and choose the one that fits your needs best. Pricing your course is a crucial step. Too high a price might deter potential students, while too low a price might undervalue your hard work. Consider factors like the length and depth of your course, the demand for the topic, and the prices of similar courses in the market. Finally, promote your course. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other promotional strategies to reach your target audience. Remember, the more people know about your course, the more potential students you have. To summarize, creating and selling online courses involves choosing a topic, outlining the course, creating the content, selling it on the right platform, pricing it appropriately, and promoting it effectively. It may seem like a lot, but each step is manageable and contributes to the success of your online course. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge to turn your expertise into a profitable online course. Remember, the journey of creating and selling an online course is a marathon, not a sprint. Take your time, enjoy the process, and before you know it, you'll have created something truly valuable for your students. And that wraps up this guide on creating and selling online courses. The world is full of potential students waiting to learn from you. So what are you waiting for? Turn your passion into profit and start creating your online course today.